Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can manage Google Play subscriptions in the Google Pixel Fold. First open the Play Store, tap on the profile icon and choose, not the settings, choose the payments and subscriptions. Now if you need to add, remove or change your payment methods, you can do it here. As you can see, we have a PayPal PaySafe card here, the redeem code, so you can do anything about your payment methods in this place. If you need to check all of your active subs, you will find all the info here. If you need to set the maximum budget for your apps or the subscriptions, or just check the history, open this section. If you need to use the redeem code, just open this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and